Hi, hello friends, welcome to my
channel Satyan Vlog and welcome to Spinster Cooking World.
so we will see about
Ragi Semiya in upma version.
and we'll see learn how to make a upma version in this video with the step by step and perfect healthy way to start the day. I rarely buy this because the first time I tried it was delicious. I didn't follow the instruction properly given in the back of the packet, okay? And I have tried making in the same way as you wish and simply. The ingredients are some of vegetables like onion, tomato, green chilies, and grocery items are oil, mustard, curry leaves like coriander leaf. Your wishes vegetables you can add this food. Soak the rag in a liter of 1/4 liter of water just for 3 minutes and drain water completely before steaming, and otherwise it will become lumpy after steaming. Then I mix salt in water for even saltness. I have done this in video, okay, but not shown in steps. And once done, fluff to separate the cooked semia in a kadai. So in a steamer you can use in idli pot, but not shown in steps. Heat oil, add mustard, curry leaves, and heat temper with the items. Then add some of onions, like small onions, it will be give tasted. And it's better than big onion. And this kind of onion has good for health. Followed by sliced onion, slight transparent. And add tomatoes, also like our wishes vegetables like. Also add required salt. So ragi semia we will do two ways, like a sweet and upma. Add half the cooked semia and mix well. We'll do ragi. Also, I am the only person to eat this in my room, but get many requests from friends like asking to make it. So finally, perfect healthy way to start the day. So as well as cute back from school. Good memories. Thank you.